Hello YouTube. Um, I'm gonna be showing you my new engines. As you can see, we're in station 500's station. Well, of course, as what I said before I said 500. Yeah. I'm gonna pull out engine 500. Gotta wait for that. Kinda have a cold, so. Alright, so, this is our newest engine. And yes, I did build this. I do build my own vehicles. Don't say, oh, you don't build your own vehicles. This is a free model. It's not, okay? You can ask anybody that knows me. I actually build my own stuff, okay? Alright, so, as you can see, you have your compartments here. And back here you have your other compartment. Ladders, you get your ladders here from here. Um oh crap. Yes, this truck is not done yet. That's as you can see, it doesn't have backlights. Alright. So don't say, oh yeah, this truck is not finished. Okay. Alright, so here's the ladder that you'll be RPing, that you'll like RP that you're putting the ladder onto a roof, or to keep yourself from falling off the roof, or you'll use this ladder to get up onto the and to get to the windows to break them, like if they're high. Here in this little thing, you have your hose, where you'll just you'll open this part and then get your hose out. Here again, you also have your compartment. You have your gauges, and your hose attachments. Here you have your hoses. Oops, I hate when that happens. Here it says, if you look closely, you can see it says Roslyn. Here again, you have your gauges and hose attachments. Here it says engine 500. Up here you have your lights and your light buttons to turn your lights on. The lights do work, as you can see. This is pretty much what the truck looks like in real life. And yeah, that's about it for this truck. Bye.